Welcome back to Friday Directory Updates. Today I have 4 major updates and they are huge. It's going to be short and sweet, but please pay attention if you're the contractor. We are changing our business model and our fees that we charge contractors. It is going from 3% to 1.5% across the board. Your leads, your jobs, our jobs does not matter. If you're the contractor on Directorii.com and you're getting jobs from us and you register them and you have to register them later as a project, you will pay only 1.5% after you get the money for the project from the homeowner. We don't sell leads, we will never sell leads, we're not a lead generation platform, but we give you tools to sell your jobs. We guarantee deposits from homeowners to contractors that no one is gonna get scammed on this platform. Even if jobs are not registered later, that's your $20,000 guarantee. And the projects that you do and you register yourself will get actual amount up to $250,000. So if you have $50,000 project and you register with the guarantee, you can sell it as a peace of mind to the homeowners, just like you would get a bond, just like you would buy insurance. This is your insurance for the homeowners and for the contractors. Again, it's no longer 3%, it's 1.5% across the board. If you're the contractor and you are getting jobs from Directorii, you must register those jobs. It's optional to register your own jobs, but if you do, you can get coverage up to $250,000 for that project. So 1.5% across the board. The only area on Directorii.com where you will pay 3% is through offers. So if you activate your offers and you sell them on your Facebook page, on your website, use it as Amazon.com. You can activate the offers here, you can share it with your customers, you can activate offers like roof inspections, gutter cleanings, any offer that you can think of, maybe you're selling right now, we will charge you 3% to host it on our website, which is pretty much our fee to process it. So we give it to you essentially for free. 3% is our cost of doing business, but that's the fee we have to pass to our contractors. 1.5% to register jobs and 3% to run them through the website through offers. That's the new Directorii business model. That leads me to update number 2, major cleaning of the platform from contractors who are not doing what they're supposed to be doing. We're not trying to catch contractors, but unfortunately we have players who are ruining the game for the rest of them. Our conversion rate is still pretty low, it's improving, but we have to do something with the contractors who are getting jobs from Directorii.com and not registering them to pay now 1.5% fee. If we catch you for doing that, you cannot say, well, I did not know, I didn't understand. The rules are clear. You can watch the updates every Friday. You've been getting text messages. It's all over the website. If you sign up for it and you're part of the program, if you get the job and you get paid for the job, we expect you to register that project and pay 1.5% fee. Now, in the future, it's going to be automatic. Homeowners are registering their project as well. Homeowners are notifying us when they hire contractors. I just talked to one contractor this morning, out of Texas. He got a couple jobs and he's claiming he did not know he has to register them. That's fine. You don't have to register, but we will figure out how to move you all the way to the bottom or maybe remove you completely. We're not going to keep the contractors who's going to abuse the platform. We want to invest in lead generation. We want to bring as many jobs as possible to all our contractors, but unfortunately, until contractors start registering them, we cannot scale that. So if you're the contractor, please pay close attention. It's your job to register the job after you got paid if the lead came from Directorii.com. And if we catch you for not doing so, we're gonna kick you out. You pay $49 a month, you get the lead, and you register the project. As easy as that. And if you don't understand the basic principle of job registration after we explain it so many times, maybe you're not the right fit for us. Next update is IKO Partnership. You already heard about it. Now we're collecting all the data and looking for the contractors who love IKO shingles. If that's you, make sure number one, you activate on your profile that you install IKO shingles. Pick it as a brand. We are doing something very special for IKO contractors. So if you love IKO Dynasty shingles or don't mind selling it, activate it on your profile and please reach out to us to participate in this partnership. Essentially, we are gonna work with some contractors who sell a lot of IKO. We're gonna create special offers, we're gonna promote them. It means more leads to you, but you have to be committed, and it's a three-way partnership between IKO, our contractors who loves IKO shingles, and Directorii.com. Reach out, we'll let you know what we need from you, and I promise you, you will not be sorry if you're a fan of IKO brand. And the last one for today is a special discount for Directorii contractors for Roofing Process Conference next week. If you are a contractor on the platform and you're planning to attend Roofing Process Conference, you can go to your portal and get a special discount. Roofing Process Conference does not have discounts to anyone. Directorii, obviously, it's one of our brands and we want to pay it back to you guys. Also, if you cannot afford, just simply can't afford, maybe you're losing money, have a bad year, something bad happened, reach out. I'll hook you up with the free tickets. I'm gonna put a link below how to apply for free tickets, but it's only for those contractors who cannot afford. If you can pay it, and I promise you $300 per ticket is very reasonable price. Food alone costs that. But if you need some help, nobody will know that you reached out for help. We'll hook you up with a free ticket as well. Also, if you feel for some reason that you did not get value from us, maybe you've paid us in the past, maybe you've been on Directorii for a long time and it's investment for you and you feel like we should give you free ticket, also click the link below, reach out. But if you're just looking for a discount, go to your profile, get the code, get a cheaper ticket, or apply for a free ticket if you need one. That's all I have for updates this week. If you guys come to a Roofing Process Conference, I'll see you next week in Orlando or next Friday on yet another Directorii update. Thank you for your attention.